To move my toes into the ground before I bike. Make sure my baguette is nice and secure before I head out. I'm a big fan of never looking left or right or following the lights so I can get closer to getting hit by a car. It's hard as fuck to drive one hand. Stupid as shit too.
In 400 meters, at the roundabout, take the 5th exit onto Rue Saint-Antoine.
Using the streets of Paris are circles, turns, and roundabouts, streets, cats, dogs. Yeah, my shit has 3 speeds, but my legs are burning no matter what speed it's on, even though I am a patent holder on the pursuit. Weakness prevails. Here comes the roundabout. Fuck the roundabout, especially on a bike. Let's see how this goes with one hand. See, the thing is, when I'm looking at the camera and recording, I'm not looking at the road or the map or the roundabout. So I'm just gonna try to go by memory here, and I have a terrible memory. All right, it's gear 3, so it's really hard to start. But if I just switch that up. Alright, I better find the back. I decided to walk the roundabout because I just have to turn left rather than go all the way around to go to the street right next to me. Curb.
In 50 meters, at the roundabout, exit onto Rue Saint-Antoine.
Sure thing, John. Antoine, here it comes. Time to make some eggs with some French cooking ware.